right about here, I guess.
I'm actually going to call Erica.
Let's get this out over here. We could probably cut. It's gonna be a little bit longer than what, you know, just drooping there. We can cut it probably back here somewhere. Am I okay to jump down here for a minute while we wrap this up? Yeah, we should have went around the other side of the road. Tie it and go around. probably about there. There. It's crazy. There we go. That's a beautiful thing.
That is a beautiful boat.
All right, I think we're ready to test her. Is that problematic? So this thing had this clamp just dangling off of it. We don't know where it was bolted to.
No, I don't.
I mean, there's a mangled clamp here. We definitely don't want it rubbing on that.
Say again?
We definitely don't want it rubbing on that.
No, no.
Yeah, I would like to see that supported. This is ideal. If this thing could go into that bolt right there, that would be ideal. I don't know what is.
Oh, no. I guess we could zip tie it around that.
Base here.
Yeah, on the base of that, just for now, for shits and giggles. And we'll figure out a better way after sea trials. I mean, we'll handle that. We'll just zip tie it out of the way for now.
Yeah. So grab some of the heavy duty ones.
Yeah, let's grab two or three of them.